I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: SQL Server, SSMS, and Visual Studio with NET and data tools. Once done, enable TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager so Visual Studio can connect. Create a database and a SQL login with password. Make note of server name like localhost/SQL Express. In Visual Studio, create a Chash project, then add a NuGet package for system. Data, SQL Client or Microsoft. Data, SQL Client. This gets you ready to write connection code. Now write the code that actually talks to SQL Server. Use a connection string, server equals localhost/SQL Express, database equals mydb, user ID equals muser, password equals mypassword, trust server certificate equals true only if needed, and place it in app settings or secure storage. Create a SQL connection inside a using block, then SQL command with parameterized SQL to prevent injection. Execute reader for queries, execute non-query for updates. Read results with SQL data reader and map to models. Make sure to handle exceptions and finish by running small tests. Select one, insert a row, and confirm results in SSMS. If connection fails, first verify server name, TCP/IP, and that SQL Server allows SQL authentication. Check Windows Firewall or port 1433 and ensure the SQL login has permissions on the database. Use explicit error messages and log exceptions to pinpoint failures. One key tip: enable detailed exception, logging, and test the exact connection string in SSMS to isolate authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.